I cried in your arms about pain that you inflicted. There were fire alarms, but I stayed, but I was addicted. And I laid all my cards and wrote letters explaining them all. I set off fire alarms because I burned them when you didn't call. I doubt you even read them or remember what they say, but I wrote until the AM about how September got away. I heard every siren, ignored them all. For us, you let us both burn down, and then you left me in the dust. I cried in your arms about pain that you inflicted. There were fire alarms, but I stayed, but I was addicted. And I laid all my cards and wrote letters explaining them all. I set off fire alarms because I burned them when you didn't call. Yeah, you didn't call. You always called me dumb, I never believed it. I always called you numb, you were so quick to leave it. I guess we were both right, I saw too much in you. I stayed with every fight despite all I was put through. I cried in your arms about pain that you inflicted. There were fire alarms, but I stayed, but I was addicted. And I laid all my cards and wrote letters explaining them all. I set off fire alarms because I burned them when you didn't call. Yeah, you didn't call. I let myself catch fire, I even let you lie, but somehow I'm the bad guy. You can't look me in